Architecture firms don't lose time to design. They lose it to IT. If your firm relies on large design files and complex applications, the quality of your IT support directly affects productivity and profitability. If your team runs AutoCAD, Revit, or BIM platforms, your IT environment isn't just support, it's production infrastructure. Performance directly impacts productivity and profitability. The right managed service provider keeps systems optimized for heavy workloads. They manage updates, monitor networks, maintain secure backups, and protect your firm with layered cybersecurity. When something breaks, response time matters. Downtime in architecture doesn't just slow work, it delays billing and project delivery. For architecture firms in San Antonio, there are several managed IT providers to evaluate. The key is choosing one that understands design workflows and large file environments. Upright Services supports architecture firms with demanding CAD and BIM environments. They build infrastructure for performance, secure collaboration, and fast local support across Texas. If your systems are slowing projects down, it may be time to reassess your IT support. Upright Services offers a free assessment to identify risks, performance gaps, and security concerns. Schedule a consultation and see if they're the right fit for your firm. Thank you.